Hi there! For this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to use your own variables and how to make custom blocks in Scratch. Alright, so I've just opened a new screen here, and to make your own variables, you go to the Data tab and click it, and then you hit Make a Variable. For now, we're just going to call our variable A. And you can set it for all sprites, which will affect all the sprites you have, or just for this sprite. In this case, I have the cat picked there. And hit OK. And as you can see, it's showing what the variable is up in the corner here. Right now it's set to 0. And to use variables, you can use them in lots of ways. They can control things with control structures, like if-then statements. Or you can have them be counters for some event, or for part of your script. To use them in a control statement like this, you also need an operator. In this case, we could grab this one here, the left is less than the right, and add it to the if-then statement. And then you would go to the data, and you can just grab your variable and release it on the white box, and it'll check in. And for example, if we say 3 here, then as long as the variable is less than 3, whatever is inside this if-then statement will be executed. And if A is greater than 3, it won't be. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use it as a counter, in this case a step counter. So we'll delete the cat, grab a new sprite, and we'll just take the boy 3 walking. Alright, now remember you always have to have an event to start your script. In this case, we'll choose the right arrow key, put it on, and we'll choose one for the left arrow key, put it over here. Alright, so we're just going to make him walk around, and we're going to use that variable to count how many steps he's taking. So go to Motion, move 10 steps for the right arrow, and add a move negative 10 steps for the left arrow. Alright, and then go to Looks, and say Next Costume for both. And then go to Data, and this will be where the variable controls are. So for the right arrow, take the change A by 1. That will add 1 to your variable A. And for the left, put change A by negative 1, because they're going to be walking backwards for that one, so you take steps away. Alright, now you can try moving them around. As you can see, every step the person's taking is adding 1 to A, and then if we go backwards, you're taking 1 away from A. Now you could add a control structure like I showed you before if you wanted, and have some event happen after you take a certain number of steps. Or you can just leave it as the example here. Alright, now to make custom blocks, go over to this tab here, and click More Blocks, and click Make a Block. In this case, we'll say this one is called Forward. Okay. And it wants you to define forward. So what you're going to do is you're going to attach a script to this, and then whenever you use the block that says forward, it will just add that script in. So if we take this here, what we did when we pushed the right arrow, add it to forward, now we can use this forward block and put it here, and it will just do the same thing that this script is doing, but just using one block. This is really good if you want to use the same script over and over for something, or if you just want to unclutter your scripts. So we can do the same again and say reverse. And then we're going to define reverse with what we did when we pressed the left arrow. And now just by using the reverse block, we can make it do the same thing it was doing before. And then you could even hide these away if you want to make it look clean. Alright, thanks for watching. If you want to see more, you can check out our YouTube channel. And this is all for the Scratch tutorials. Thanks for watching.